Aha, ladies and gentlemen, karibuni sana ndani ya Car Zone 254, na hapa ndipo tunaongelea magari. See my ride. Did I get vintage than this? Oh my God. Car Zone 254, tunaongelea mambo yote kuhusu magari. Kuanzia wakati unanunua gari, tunakusaidia kumake decision ya gari gani ambalo litakuwa bora kwako. Najua wakati unanunua gari inategemea unanunua gari kwa sababu gani. Labda gari hilo ni la familia, family car, labda ni gari ya biashara, na kama ni gari ya biashara, je, ni biashara aina gani? Ni kubeba mizigo, na kama ni mizigo utahitaji gari ambalo linabeba tani ngapi? So we'll be bringing in professionals kukusaidia kumake informed and good sound decisions wakati unataka kununua gari. Gari si kitu kidogo, pesa ya gari ni pesa mingi, so you need to do your homework before you go purchase a car. Na kando na hiyo, already ushanunua gari, tunataka tukuambie, tutakuwa tunaleta professionals ambao wanakuonyesha jinsi ya kumaintain hilo gari. Kuanzia body paint. Unaona kama yangu saa hii, I'm working really hard to maintain my body paint. So we'll be bringing people who will help us to maintain body paint. Kuanzia kuleta ipakwe rangi gari yote, na kama ni mpya utaimaintain aje, utapaka polish gani, itafanywa buffing aje, na kama ni gari ya rangi fulani ni polish gani mzuri. And also servicing. Talk about servicing. Unaleta mahali kama hapa kwa professionals. This is a two-post lift. Two-post lift. Mahali gari inaekelewa, inainuliwa, wanafanya mambo yao. So we'll be talking to professionals about vehicles.